I'm sure you've heard the news. Some Roombas just don't want to stay connected. If your robot is ignoring your Wi-Fi, I've got quick fixes you can try. Ready to get started? First, make sure your Wi-Fi is working for other devices, like your phone or tablet. If not, try restarting your router. Sometimes that's all it takes. Next, check if your Roomba is close enough to your Wi-Fi router. Walls, doors, and even microwaves can block the signal. Move your Roomba closer to your router and try again. Still not working? Open the iRobot Home app and follow the steps to reconnect your Roomba. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network. Roombas don't like the faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If you see a flashing red Wi-Fi light, press and hold the home and spot buttons on your Roomba until you hear a tone. This resets the Wi-Fi so you can set it up again in the app. Still stuck? Double-check your Wi-Fi password and make sure your router doesn't have any special characters or spaces in the name. And that's it. With these quick checks, your Roomba should be back online and ready to clean. Happy cleaning!